Listen class. Now before you all understand the gravitational force and centrifugal force properly, here are some activities that you have to do, and after doing it you are going to answer the questions which I'm going to ask you all. Okay, now so for that each and every student will try to perform this. Okay, now see here, keep a small stone or a chalk piece on your notebook. Take one notebook in your hand, all of you. Keep one stone or a chalk piece on your notebook and move the notebook from left to right with some force. Okay, just do it. Left to right, left, right, left, right. Okay, move the notebook left to right and apply some force. Don't do it very lightly. Okay, done all of you? Clear. Now when I will ask you the question, at that time answer me. Okay, now see, take water in a small container which has a handle. Okay, what? Take water in a small container which has a handle like jug, but it should be small. See what happens if the container is whirled around with force. Now what is the meaning of whirled? Or you can say take mug. In bathroom we have bucket and mug, na? Mug and bucket, okay, with which we have a bath. So it has handle. So take it, put some water and whirl. Whirl means try to rotate yourself around with that container. Understood? Okay, try to rotate the container. Then fill the mixer jars with water and switch on the mixer. Observe. Now see, but don't do this. You all are not going to do this, or otherwise you'll tell your mom we want to do. No. With water mixer, no. Because if water is going to come out, definitely something will happen. You can just imagine. Fill the mixer jar with water and switch on the mixer. What will happen? Do this under the supervision of parents. They have asked you to do this, but don't do only. Or if your mother is ready to do, and ask her to take little water, don't take too much of water. Okay, and see what will happen. Okay, observe a fan and a slingshot while they are moving. Okay, sling means which are on the ceiling. Okay, slingshot, ceiling. So when they are moving, tongue, that sound comes, na, that. And observe a fan. Observe the fan when it is moving. So this everything you have to do. Afterwards, take half a glass of water. Slowly move the glass in one direction. Okay, take half glass and start moving the glass in one direction in a circular fashion. Circular, okay. Observe what happens to the water and then observe what happens to the water. Okay. Observe what happens if you whirl a key ring around the finger. Okay. Yes, many of us has the habit of doing it. Your cycle key, vehicle key. Okay, it is having keychain. We just put it in the finger and we just whirl around the finger, means rotate, as we do like that. Observe what happens. See like this. Okay. Observe figure 3.4. Girl whirling a keyring. She is having a keyring in her hand and she is just whirling it. Okay. In her finger itself. She is not whirling. She is whirling the keyring. All of you understood what you have to do. Very simple activities which you are going to do it. Please do it so that you will understand what teacher has to explain you. Clear? Okay, class? Okay. Now, see, can you tell? Now, you all are going to answer this question. I don't have answer because you all are doing the activity. I am not doing the activity. On the basis of the questions given below, discuss the result of the activities listed above. You all have done the activity, each and every activity, which is very simple. Now, you have observed what has happened. Hmm? Now, discuss the result of the activities listed above. Now, you all are going to discuss what has happened when you did the activity. Okay, what had happened when you did the activity? In which direction did the piece of chalk fall? What will be your answer? In which direction did the piece of chalk fall? Where the force is in the direction where your force is more. Okay, see, in the direction in which your force is more, okay, in that direction the piece will fall down. Yes. Where did the water in the glass show a bulb? So what was a second activity? Where did the what? Take a water in a small container that has a handle. Okay, and see what happens if the container is whirled around the force. Okay, if you are going to whirl around the water, in which water in the glass show a bulb? So where will the water show the bulb? Bulk means what? Do you know the meaning of bulk? Bulk is the one part of the object or whatever it is, it comes out. Okay? Bulk in one direction. So, where did the water in the glass show a bulk? Then, what effects did the movement have on the things attached to the keyring? What effects did it had? Did it had any force? Okay, and in which direction the force was applied? Observe it. What happened to the water in the container and the mixer? Okay, yes, which in the container which was whirled and in the mixer, if the force is there, okay, the water, see, in some cases the force is applied from center to outward. For example, the water in the mixer and the container. Okay, what is going to happen? From the center, the force is going to applied and the force is going to be applied outward, center to outward. Which force could be operating in activities listed above? In which activities did you find the centrifugal or gravitational force has greater? Can you tell me? See, I think so. First, in the direction in which the chalk fall down. Okay, in that the gravitational force was more than the centrifugal force. Yes, because of the gravity, the chalk fell down. Centrifugal force was not there. Then Now water in the glass, you are moving the water in the glass, okay, and it is bulge. Where it is going to bulge? If you are going to move in center, it is going to, what is going to happen? Outside it is going to bulge, and center it is going to be narrowed down. Okay, so this is here the centrifugal force is applied. Keyring. Now keyring also, if you are drilling the keyring, centrifugal force is applied. The water in the container and the mixer, centrifugal force is applied. Are you all getting it? Okay, so this is the difference between the gravitational force and the, have you understood what is centrifugal force? From center to outward. From center to outward. That's why it is centrifugal. Opposite to gravitational force is centrifugal force. Clear? So by doing these activities, I hope you all have understood what the teacher wants to tell you.